Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
Is that time already?
It is that time already. And today we have Peachy Waves Peach Energy Drink by Summit Energy.
This is something somebody else's can. 'Cause look at that. There's another brand that does it.
Yeah.
Alani. It looks like an Alani.
No, it looks like an Alani new can.
Yeah.
So this is the Aldi Special Summit Energy brands. That is their energy drink brand. So that's who's supplying us today. So looking at the important factors, we got ourselves 10 calories, we got 1 gram of carbohydrate, we have 0 sugar, nice. We got 50 milligrams of calcium, that's interesting, 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 20 milligrams of niacin, which I believe that's B3 or B6, it's one of those. 2 milligrams, there we go, 2 milligrams of B6, so yeah, niacin I think is B3. We got ourselves 6 micrograms of B12, 50 milligrams of B5, and 300 milligrams of biotin. And we're looking at a caffeine content from green tea leaves.
Excellent.
And we're looking at 200 milligrams of caffeine in this can.
It's like Red Bull.
Yeah, so green tea leaves. So we'll see how Peachy Wave here from Summit tastes.
It's gotta be good. Peachy.
It smells peachy. Ooh, okay.
Peachy Wave.
So not a overly sweet peach. Rather interesting.
Very mild.
The smell on it's great, but it's not overly sweetened peach. It's a very nice
Mild,
peach.
very soft.
Yeah,
That's cool.
smooth, very smooth. I think that's helping coming from the calcium being in there. That's helping out a little bit.
Maybe. I like it though.
I know.
Wow.
It's good flavor compared to some. But yeah, it's not the pow in your face like Jolly Rancher peach, and it's not overly artificially sweetened either.
Yeah. How much are they running?
Forget the price on that.
One second.
But yeah, but only 10 little calories in there. So
Yeah, I like it. I would definitely get more of those.
but yeah, it's nice because it's not overly sweetened. It's not, and you don't get any of that artificial
Well, I like the
sweetness to it.
The caffeine from the green tea.
And there's just enough bubbles and carbonation in there to kind of help scratch the throat.
Yeah. That's cool.
Well, yeah, I like that one. That was really good.
I don't know who they're copying. That's good.
Yep, I think that's an SRT 392 there because that is very, very tasty. I like it. So, good flavor. It's with the can design, it's not quite what you would think. With the can design, you would think it would be like overly sweetened peach in some ways, but it is a very, very nice peach flavor. I like it.
Reminds me of like a Celsius.
It's very
can
close to Celsius. Yeah, it's very close to that taste profile too. It's very close to there. So I like it. So anyways, guys, make sure you check out Summit Aldi's energy drink brand for Peachy Waves because that is pretty good. So anyways, guys,
buying more.
Yeah, exactly. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.